Say it again. Let's go combining.
On there. You wouldn't get that kind of performance with a normal muffler. That's all to do with the straight pipe. So we're gonna stick this son of a bitch in fucking probably in, I don't know what that is there, probably B1. We got this big fucking thing behind it here. We're gonna just step it out of the way. Hey guys, how's she going today? Well, we are in Antoine's soybeans here. Been combining in them all day. Got a hell of a big chunk done in them here. I think it's like 8:30 or so at night. Things are still going good and they're still dry, so I'll keep combining for a while. Maybe we'll get done, I'm not sure yet. That'll be it for our harvest though when this is done, and then we've got 40 acres or so at Rob's to do of soybeans. So we're gonna go combine those for him. And yeah, that'll be it. Well, I guess I got I don't know, 5 acres worth of potholes there of oats to go and do, low spots that I had sown if you remember. So swath them here one of these days so that they ripen up. Some are pretty green yet. And then we'll go combine that with the Massey and drop and bale the straw, and that'll be it. So I guess keep on combining here, and we'll either talk to you later or tomorrow morning. We'll see what happens here. So I guess talk to you guys here in a bit. Well guys, there she is. The last pass of 2020 harvest here on Big Titty Grain Farms. We'll see here, I don't know. Pretty much got our window covered, so the Massey might get the last little bit here. We'll see what happens. So this strip kind of goes up and then back down, but when I get to the end here, that's probably going to be my last go, because I'm going to be overflowing otherwise. So, but yeah, kind of a good feeling to be done compared to how the last 2 years have gone with snow and every other fucking thing that could happen. So I can actually maybe get some fall stuff done here. That way, some other work we want to do that you gotta do before the snow's flying and the ground's froze. Some water drainage and what have you on some of this land. So yeah, anyway, get to the end of this strip here and go dump in the grain truck, and Twanner can finish it off, I guess. Seen Twan shut his reel off there. Try to get his attention to come over here and finish it. Nope, he's gonna go away. Okay, I gotta phone him and tell him to finish it. So that is pretty awesome. All done, other than my little wee bit of oats there, but that doesn't hardly count. So tomorrow we will go and hammer off Rob's, and we'll be done with the flex headers that way. So anyway, get the combines dumped here and probably bring the combine home. I think we'll see what goes on, but I think that's kind of my plan. It's only a few miles home, so then it's there. I got a guard I got to change on it and throw some fuel in it before we head to Rob's that way, and then we'll be done that way. So anyway, I guess good enough. Talk to you tomorrow. Well, it's the next morning. Just dumping the trucks out from yesterday, the ones that never got emptied out yet, and get them all cleaned out, corners swept out, and park them, get the auger out of the bin, and then we'll be heading to Rob's here shortly with the 2 combines and one of the tandems to go get his done. I've got corners to clean out on that truck and that truck yet, and then to finish dumping this one. So anyway, talk to you in a bit. Hard to do the quick zoom in and out with this phone. Well, we're just bombing down the road here with the combines on our way to Rob's now. Pretty big bump in the road there. He's a few miles up the road here to where his beans are. We're almost there, so just come off the highway for a quarter of a mile on the highway and had one jackass suicide pass us in the ditch. Too bad he didn't roll. That would have made good YouTube content. Fuck, whatever. Anyway, Rob's on his way with the Freightliner and the header trailer for this flex header when we're done, because this header can go to Grandpa's, which is that way, and then the 21's going to go home and pick up its pickup header, and then I've got my oats to do there yet, so I'll just do that with this combine. And then I've got a homemade header trailer from a flex header I used to have, and I sold it, but I kept the trailer, and I want to customize its trailer to accept the Massey flex header. It did have a old, like an 820 or whatever, I forget the number, like an 820 case flex header. It's kind of like an old 810, so 22-foot flex head. But I'm gonna try to get the Massey header to work on it, and then we can put both of the headers inside of a building that way during the winter, so that would be nice. But anyway, I guess I will talk to you when we get to Rob's. Well, we're at Rob's here, combining to B-Hill. He's zooming around on his man killer there, the old trike. Taking some vidges. But they're not as good as mine. You can tell they're sowing later, and he never got the moisture we got down here either. But they're still coming in pretty decent anyways, so he'll have something here anyway. But we're gonna keep on slugging along here at 4 miles an hour, and we'll talk to you when we're done. Well, there we go. Done. Other than my little bit of piss around for my low spots of oats, that's harvest in the books. Way better than last year. Shoot. Anyway, gonna get her emptied out here, and then we'll go talk to Rob and see what he figures and drop the flex header, and we'll head her home, I think. So I guess we will talk to you guys here in a few. Well, there we have it. Rob's making his own video. I guess if you want to see his point of view here, or perspective, you can head over to Rockin' Robbie's Roadhouse. See his side of things. He was getting some real cool shots there as we were combining. So anyway, I guess we'll head home, blow the feeder housing off, and we'll pick up the pickup and see what we do from there. So I guess. See, look at that, rain coming. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so good timing. All done. Nice. Other than the oats. You guys are gonna get sick and tired of hearing me talk about my oats. Anyway, I guess we will talk to you guys when we get home. Holy fuck, we just beat the rain, boys. She's just pouring there a couple miles away. It's raining at Rob's there now, so we're just getting to the yard here, so good timing. Things worked out pretty good, actually. Listen to that squeaky seat. It just started doing that. Get some lubrication for it. Alright. We're in the big Ford. Let's see here. When it's cold, you gotta be... Oh boy, that is a warped clutch rotor if I've ever felt such a thing. Clutch disc. Oh yeah, that leaks. That's nice. Fuck, it's not bad really, the old girl. Anyway. Gonna head her on home with this, and then we're gonna come back and get the heavy harrows in the 895. It's in the field just across here yet where Grandpa was, and then everything will be home that way. So I guess talk to you in a few. Nope. Not that cold out, but it's not warm either. Isn't that a great noise? Well, we put the blade on the 4430 and put a new tie rod on it, the one that fucked up on it there when we were baling. And now we're bringing the disc up to the yard so we can go around to some kosher spots and chop them up and work them up and whatnot. Probably put the 4440 on it, just because it's a little bit better of a tractor for the job. Better, bigger tires and a little more power and not quite as worn out, etc., etc. The disc needs one new tire and a tube. One tire's flat, another one's ready to let go. Other than that, some grease, and she should be ready to go do a couple acres anyways. But anyway, I guess that's probably where I'm going to leave you guys for today. Oh, harvest is pretty well wrapped up, other than, you guessed it, the oats. I'm doing that in the next few days here, so anyway, I suppose, thank you much for watching. Sure you hit the like button, comment, subscribe for more. Head over to Rockin' Robbie's Roadhouse and check out the harvest video. I know it'll be up by the time this video is up, I'm quite sure, but anyway, good enough. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Come on. How's the cake?
All hail Queen Antoine.